Did you know that 65% of change management teams are failing to effectively deliver change adoption? Do you know why? If you say it is because of resistance to change, you are wrong. It is because they are not applying an effective change management methodology. In this video, I will show you one, a repeatable, scalable, and flexible change management framework that can be applied to any type of project. Two, how you and your team can apply this methodology starting today. And three, if you stay to the end, I will show you how to access this framework so you can share it with other change managers in your organization. As you can see on my screen, the repeatable change management framework has 4 phases: assess, develop, implement, and normalize phase. It is a repeatable methodology, meaning that change managers within your organization can all apply this methodology to any type of change project, whether that is AI, ERP, CRM, organizational culture change, process reengineering, M&A, or any type of business transformation. During the assess phase, you or the change practitioner want to conduct what we call organizational change management, which is OCM, discovery and mobilization. This involves ramping up the change team or resource, aligning with project objectives and scope, and conducting discovery to understand the driving factors behind the project. The change resource should also conduct a change risk and resistance assessment, as well as assessing stakeholders and the levels of change impact. They also want to conduct a readiness and change saturation assessment to identify how impacted users are ready for a change. They also want to conduct an enablement needs assessment that defines what leaders, champions, and users need to succeed. An adoption baseline also needs to be established. This involves establishing current state metrics that will allow the change resource to measure progress over time. For the develop phase, you or the change management resource will want to develop the change management strategies and playbook, which basically defines the overall holistic change management approach and guiding practices. You or the change resource will also want to develop the detailed step-by-step plans for rolling out communications, training, engagement, and other change management deliverables. You will also want to put together a change management roadmap that allows you to align change management activities with project milestones and timing. And as part of the develop phase, you will want to ensure that you are achieving project and governance alignment, which involves integrating organizational change management into delivery and governance processes. A lot of times we see conflicts where the change management team is not effectively integrated with the project management team. So you want to avoid those types of conflicts to ensure that you are partnering with the project team as well as stakeholders to ensure alignment. During the implement phase, you want to implement your targeted messages and communications to raise awareness and also prepare users for go live. You want to implement your change champion network, conducting a kickoff a session, and also enabling your change champions. You also want to ensure that you enable sponsors and also leaders. As part of my consulting approach, I normally use a white glove approach to empower and also enable leaders to get them prepared for the change. You also want to enable impacted users. That involves providing users with training, guides, FAQs, as well as ongoing support. And then resistance management. You also want to ensure that during the implement phase, you are doing your monitoring of resistance and also addressing any resistance that you identify, new resistance or previous resistance that you identified. You want to make sure that those are not coming up after they've been resolved. So ongoing monitoring is important to manage risk and also resistance. And then you want to ensure that you implement go live readiness and providing any UAT support. This ensures the organization is ready and that you are gathering feedback during any testing. Not every project will involve UAT support. There are some projects, programs, initiatives that could just be a post M&A implementation or changing the culture of the organization or implementing new processes or new policies. In those cases, you don't have to worry about UAT, but there are other types of checks and balances that the change management team might be called upon to help support. So just keep those in mind. Something else that is important is during the implement phase, you want to be tracking adoption trends and sharing actionable insights with champions, with leaders, and other stakeholders. Something very important to keep in mind is this: flexibility. This is a flexible change management methodology, meaning that you can move things around. Nothing is set in stone. For example, as part of your change management assessments and findings, you might need to start communications right away during the assess phase, in which case you will not want to wait until the implement phase to start sending out communications. Another example is this: you might need to start developing your strategies, plans, and your roadmap at the same time you are doing your assessments. So take this flexible change management framework as a guide to be customized and applied to match your project needs. And if you need help, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. During the normalized phase, you want to ensure you continue to provide communications that can include go live communications and updates. Why do you need to do this? It helps sustain momentum. Something else that helps to sustain momentum is providing ongoing training as needed. You also want to ensure you are providing office hours and support calls so that users can join these calls to ask questions or to seek help. You also want to ensure you are continuously gathering feedback from champions, from leaders, from impacted users, and improving your efforts and deliverables. Reinforcement activities are very, very important during the normalized phase. That includes recognition. It could be as simple as having a senior executive or the project sponsor sending out a communication recognizing individuals. That really goes a long way. Adoption and value realization tracking is another very important step. You want to ensure you are measuring whether adoption is delivering business outcomes. And then lastly, we have OCM. Once again, OCM stands for Organizational Change Management. We have OCM transition and handover. This is where the change resource transfers change management ownership to a business as usual team or resource for sustainment. And so, if you are asking how to access this repeatable 360-degree change management framework. Here is how. Click on the free OCM resources link below this video, and you will find this and more free resources for you and your team to download. If you need change management consulting help to build you and your team or to support your project, don't hesitate to reach out to me. See the link below. So go ahead and watch the next video and continue to increase your success. And don't forget to like this video so that I know you have found it valuable. And also subscribe to our channel for more content.